So today I'm going to show you how to transplant from a cell tray into a pot. These are zinnias. They've all developed what's called a true leaf. So at emergence, every seedling has a seed leaf, which is the first two leaves that emerge. And then after that, they put on what are called true leaves. So that's these larger leaves that are on the outside here of the zinnias. So you want to make sure that when your plants get to the stage where they have true leaves on them, that you are moving them up from their seed tray into something larger so that the roots have room to develop and then the plant will get big and strong. They have a drainage hole in the bottom and I use my handy Sharpie and I just pop through the drainage hole and then I gently tug the zinnia up and out and then you can see that you have a perfect plug. I fill my pot up about a third of the way full and then I pack the soil down into the bottom. So then I'll take my soil and I will fill all the way around my start and then I just gently press it down. So now that that's nice and packed in, I just kind of walk it around like so, make sure that it's nice and tight, and then that's it. Now my plant is ready to go. So from here, what I'll do is I want to make sure every time you transplant something, you want to give it a nice long drink. So make sure that you water it through. The water should come out of the bottom of your pot and then it's ready to go.